All right, you got everybody checked in, Denise? You are Diane, right? Okay. The appointment was with Sandy. We got a voicemail to prove it. So it says, hi, this is, what was that?
I set the appointment.
You set the appointment? Okay. Okay, but you guys know Diane Barnes is not allowed here.
You either let all in or none.
Okay, so now you're going to act in bad faith and delay an insured's approval because of the fact that this lady did not want to pay for fair and proper repairs last time she inspected.
That's not true.
That is true.
We pay for what we owe. We have no problem paying for what we owe.
Okay.
Now what we owe.
So you're a supervisor though, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So you're a supervisor, therefore you can handle this then, right? You and I can work together.
Like I said, you either let all Allstate adjusters in here or none.
This is a private facility.
Okay.
She was kicked out for a reason.
Are we going to be able to look at these vehicles today?
You, sir, can, because you are not banned. There are 3 people banned from coming and inspecting. These are the 3 people.
I'm banned as well.
No, your name is not on this list.
But we cannot look at your vehicle. So your options are going to be to have your vehicle moved to a neutral facility so we can inspect it. Otherwise,
You shouldn't be misrepresenting a policy. Actually, Allstate has something that's great. It's called the appraisal clause. Okay, we actually got some brochures. So we printed 20,000 of them. We work with an organization called Texas Watch, and basically, if an insurance company and an insured cannot come to an agreement,
we have an agreement.
Yeah, we have an agreement too, and our agreement is 70.
You're refusing to let us look at the vehicle.
I'm allowing you to look at the vehicle. You are a supervisor. You're a licensed adjuster in the state of Texas. You can do this. She's been banned from the facility. She knows that. You know that. Everybody in Allstate knows that. And like you're nodding your head, yes, and you know that she's banned. So you chose to waste everybody's time here today.
All Allstate adjusters. We don't do this where you can let this one in and not that one in. Every single Allstate adjuster has the same guidelines that they're required to follow. No exceptions from a different adjuster. So.
Is it your car or you guys are all together, right?
No.
2 families. 2 families, okay. I'll give this one to you guys, and then I'll explain to you guys appraisal clause too, because, I can't just let people that have been banned from the facility come back, because they've been banned for a reason, okay? But there are other options. He's lying to you. This is not your only option. And moving a vehicle out of a facility, that's actually called insurance steering. It's actually illegal in the state of Texas.
They're more than welcome to have their vehicle repaired here, and I've already explained that to them.
So if you guys would like...
It will need to be moved to a neutral facility for us to inspect it. If they'd like to have it brought back to you, that's fine.
How come we can't do virtual assist? So Allstate has this app where I can just FaceTime them, and I can show them what's needed and everything else, and go through estimate, and we can go ahead and get it approved today. I'm completely fine with that as well. Yes, ma'am.
Because we're here. There's no need to do a virtual assist. We're here.
Do you have those 2 estimates printed for the Allstates?
Yes, I have the 3.
And there's 3 vehicles.
Was that?
There's 3 vehicles we set up.
Yeah, Zap and Deal, the one that was waiting for 3 weeks. Yeah, I know that one. So I just put your claim number into Allstate's virtual assist app. I'm requesting it, and it's connecting me to a licensed adjuster. So, technically, licensed adjusters can go ahead and approve estimates regardless if you're here or not, right?
When I tell them not to, they will not.
Oh, so you're going to stop this process from going forward?
Because we want to inspect the vehicle in person.
Okay, that's completely fine, but can you inspect it in person with the licensed adjuster that can write the estimate?
There's a licensed adjuster right here.
There's one right here too, and you're a licensed adjuster too, but your excuse was you don't have a laptop.
Thanks for calling Allstate. My name is Kristen. How can I help you today?
This is how easy it is to inspect. Now, Mr. Rick is the one that's stopping this. Hey, ma'am, I have, do you have the claim number pulled up?
I do. Which vehicle are we looking at today?
Is this for the...
Perfect.
Okay. Yeah, we've had some issues on this claim, kind of getting slowed down and delayed. We've sent over multiple supplements and stuff, and that, do you see a record that we've gone ahead and virtual assist you? When was the last time you guys see records of the virtual assist?
Field inspection.
Give me just a second and I will review.
I'm not talking to you, sir. It's nice to try to go ahead and tell somebody to do something else. Again,
It looks like the supplements on this have all been handled in the field.
Yeah.
It would appear that this that this is a field inspection only.
Okay, so that was directions from Mr. Rick, huh?
I'm sorry, that was direction of whom?
Mr. Rick? Rick Mattis. He just went to his car to message you.
It looks like that is for, it's based on your shop. It's not based on the vehicle.
Okay, so you're saying that you only want to go ahead and inspect vehicles in person at my shop, but other shops you're willing to go ahead and do virtually. Half ago, but I respect wanting it done in person, because if it's done in person, it could be, you know what I mean, shown. But I got 45-minute video of this lady when she was removed from the facility, denying to pay for everything I was needed to properly repair vehicles, right? Like to properly go ahead and paint a roof rail, which is like the kind of parts right above your doors, right? In order to properly repair a roof rail, you got to go ahead and take the doors off, because if not, you have a tape line, you have foam tape, and that's not a warrantyable repair, right? We can't warranty something if our paint manufacturer says don't do this, right? So one of those things where we can't just allow adjusters that want to cause issues to not pay for stuff, right? Because at the end of the day, it doesn't solve anything. He's a licensed adjuster in the state of Texas. He can write an estimate himself. He has training, he has weather training, and he supervises everybody else. This guy likes to review everybody's estimate. So why don't we have the guy that's in charge write the estimate? You're dealing with the owner here, why can the supervisor not do that as well? Like, it doesn't make any sense. How many years have you been doing this for, Mr. Rick?
Enough.
Enough. Okay, 5 years, 10 years?
Enough.
I got a licensed adjuster here right now. I got estimate. We could go over it. He could document his photos. He could go tell somebody else to write it if he wants. He can go home and write it. Whatever the case is, like, there's absolutely no reason for this. I'm trying to make it happen. My name is Mike. I'll give you one of my cards. I'll give everybody my cards.
Do you think I can move my vehicle to get fixed in another shop? Because 8 months is
Yeah.
been a long time.
You can do whatever you want with your vehicle. Now, I gotta look at what parts have been bought and what work has been done that maybe they haven't. You have my? Oh yeah, sorry, give you one too. Yes, sir. I'd like you to never return my property again. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No Allstate adjusters will be here again.
Why? I didn't ban out all Allstate adjusters.
It's all or none. We don't play those games.
Okay, so you're never going to come here again. That's your choice as a company. If you want to conduct business that way, you can. That's your choice.
We'll make every customer aware that we're not allowed here.
No, you guys are allowed here. She's not allowed here. But thank you for admitting on camera your insurance steering. Bye.
Allstate, this is Rick Mattis.
Hi, I received your call. Yes.
Yes, I was calling you. I'm still sitting. I'm sitting right down the street with Dianne. We're working to see what we can do on the vehicle to get the estimate taken care of.
Okay.
Doing what we can.
Okay, I just kind of figured that you could have actually taken care of that when you stopped by. It's just because, you know, like I know the other lady mentioned, it wasn't fair to us that you just decided to not do your part in that aspect.
No, we can't do that. Like I was telling him, they either have to allow all or none. I cannot make exceptions.
So what would proceed on your end? You're saying you're going to do what you can, and what does that mean exactly?
Well, I already have adjustments made to replace the bumper cover and the reinforcement. They also had sent in a request to replace the right tail light, but and they had photos of a damaged tail light. But however, the damage, there was no damage on the photos when you submitted it to us to begin with. So I don't know if they broke your tail light while it was there or what.
That was the hail damage.
It was when I was supposed to say that might have been from hail damage. I don't know.
I'll double check with them. It could have been hail damage, but I'll go ahead and double check that in with them.
But I'd already had Diana make the changes to add to those two items, and then I guess somebody had called virtual assist again, and she's actually talking to that adjuster right now. They're listed as a non-virtual shop. They're not allowed to use the virtual assist just due to the issues that we've had with them in the past.
What issues exactly?
there's just been numerous issues. I cannot go into details on those. Just the things like we witnessed today, just things like that.
My
So-
point is that I can't keep going back and forth between you and the shop, and it's basically my word against you two at this point. And as of now, all I'm asking is for it to get taken care of and the supplement be sent out to where it needs to be for my safety as well.
Yeah, we're doing everything we can.